tonight, chicken Alfredo. I am going to start off. This is one chicken breast diced up into small pieces, and I'm going the easy way. I am going to use a jar of Alfredo simply because I just don't have the stuff to make it with. Suppose I could go and get it, but I'm not going to. This is just a quick and easy meal, and it's actually what my daughter wanted. Go ahead and open that jar. Oh, and I am keeping the jar because that's what I'm going to put my leftovers in, because there's always leftover sauce. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to salt it. And salt to your taste, not to what other people say, because chances are they are going to load it with salt, and if you're anything like me, you'll be miserable for the next couple of days. I like the smell of fresh pepper. I don't know why, I just do. Now, because they inject a lot of water into chicken, that is going to come out, which is actually going to help with the flavor. There we go. So you can either brown it or you can just cook it. That's simply up to you. I am just going to cook it. I'm not worried about browning it. And they only put the water in it to help bulk it up, so it'll cost you more. And that is a handle cover for a cast iron skillet, but it works on these little handles. Works on them quite well. So once this is cooked, I will just add my sauce and wait till the very last minute to do my pasta. Now, if you want to, I imagine you can add some sort of like little vegetables in there if you want to, or mushrooms. That might be good. But this is how you bulk up the flavor and just a little cheap sauce. Because at my store, there's really no difference between the price of buying the ingredients or the price of buying what's already made. And I keep it around just for this. Yes, I do make my own sauce on the occasion, but it is a drab and dreary day, and I have other things going on. And yes, I know that's linguine. You get what you can. Sometimes I can get Alfredo, sometimes I can get linguine. Sometimes all I can get is spaghetti. It works either way, and it tastes the same. I have been known to put it just over elbow macaroni or the little tiny shells. So what kind of pasta you use is solely up to you and nobody else. So don't let them tell you. If you want to use spaghetti, use spaghetti. If you don't, then don't. There we go. And see, it's just added some water, which means that it's going to have a little extra flavor. I actually forgot my water, which I will be needing. Because what I do is I will fill the jar just to the bottom of the label, put the lid back on it, and shake it. That is to get everything out. You paid for it, might as well use it instead of wasting it. No. 423-486-1690. Hello. Oh, can I help you? I am so tired of those spam calls. But yes, this is the best way to do it, is put just enough water in it so you get every little bit that you paid for. And sometimes I just have to add a little bit more like now. Because it'll also thin it out just long enough that you can cook it back down and have that chicken flavor all through it. There is still a lot stuck in that lid. So this tonight is going to be chicken Alfredo with a side salad. Now I've heard of some people adding like peas and carrots to it. I don't know, I've never tried it. But yes, that is going to be supper and leftovers. 423-922-0930. Hello. Okay, goodbye. Okay. But yes, chicken Alfredo, side salad, and that is supper tonight. And now all it's going to do is just get shut down onto low, and it will simmer until she gets home, and then I'll do the pasta. But there we are. So you have a good one.